Hey, it's Christian Hazel with the Four Wheeler Network, stuck at home, and I'm stealing an idea from our friends at the Hot Rod Network to show you my shop shelter. So if you've read any of our magazines from the past 20 years, you've probably seen this garage and these yellow cabinets. I built probably about 20 or so vehicles in this garage. It's just your standard 20 by 20 car garage, nothing special unfortunately, and I guess I'll take you on the tour from door to door. Here's my twin stage Craftsman compressor and a battery of batteries. I just got to figure out which ones are still good and which aren't. Next to that, I've got a Genrite tank for Project YJ. That is for when the V8 goes in it, or V6, I haven't decided, but that will support a high pressure fuel injection pump, and it's 20 gallon as opposed to the 15 gallon tank that's in there now. Moving on down the workbench, I'm converting a fire extinguisher into an air tank. So when I put this in the UACJ60, I'll have onboard air. The workbench is kind of cool. It was here when I bought the place. It looks like it's out of an old high school chemistry class or something, because this is impervious to welding and all sorts of fluids and whatnot. Underneath in there, those are stuffed with tools. I got geez, I don't even know what I got in there. Chop saw and all sorts of stuff. Going on down here, we got, it's a mess, Spicer 18 for my Flatfender with an overdrive from ATV Manufacturing. There's a conversion belt housing for an AX15 to small block Chevy. Going on down, some more stuff to put the small block in a YJ. This was the glove box for the UACJ60, kind of cool old real estate sign. That's the box I keep my onboard air compressor in. Drill press, bunch of tools. There's the Hazel Flatfender, and that thing's gotta get to working on that. That's a BJ's Off-Road aluminum fuel tank for my Cherokee Chief. In the middle of installing that, and my toolbox is, if you give a mouse a cookie, I mean anything, any square inch of space, you're gonna fill it. So I've got some good tools and some okay tools and some crap tools. Nothing crazy. There's my daughter's little pouch going on walks, and I got my Matchbox scars from when I was a little kid. My kids like to play with those. The laundry station, mountain bike. This thing's I'm redoing the fuel system in the Flatty, and I am going to swap out the brake system because these hoses leak. They're not meant for brake fluid, and like a dummy I use them anyway. There's my JCM 800. JCM 900 cab. I got more music gear in there. It's my live rig from when I was a musician. And some more amps, baseball gear for the kids. And that's about the end of the tour. Here's welding station. Got my welder in here. Miller 212, and my tubing bender, believe it or not, is buried back in there. That's why I don't build many roll cages. Say hello to the UACJ60. And that's my shop where I am sheltering in place. If you want to send us a quick video of yours, check the description, and hopefully we'll be able to share. Thanks for watching.